This is the high-tech, all-electric Genesis GV60. The Genesis GV60 is equipped with a brake disc cleaning function, which uses the braking system to clean the GV60's brake rotor faces. The disc brake cleaning function will automatically be activated when regenerative braking is set to level 0. Please note, there will be no indicator when this function is active. Within a few minutes, the regen braking system will be restored to level 0. To select level 0 in the regenerative braking system, click the right steering wheel paddle shifter to decrease regenerative braking until level 0 is shown in the cluster. While operating to clean the brake disc, the driving distance and regenerative braking performance can be reduced. After finishing, the regenerative braking performance will be restored. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.